Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of recording job workout orders in Tally Prime. As a principal manufacturer of a product, you must be either purchasing raw materials from a vendor or manufacturing them in your own unit. Thereafter, you send the material to a job worker who manufactures the finished product. In such cases, you will need to record job workout transaction for the job worker a material out to keep a record of the raw material sent to the job worker and a material in when the finished product arrives at your godown or unit. To record such transactions, you will need to set up Tally Prime. Let's first see how to enable job order processing in Tally Prime. Press F11. Show more features. Show all features. And enable job order processing. Press Ctrl+A to save the setting. Henceforth, you can use Tally Prime to record job work transactions. Now, let us see how to set up your voucher types to record job workout transactions. Let's first configure Material Out Voucher. Press Alt+G. Alter Master, Voucher Type, Material Out, and press Enter. Set Use for Job Work as Yes. Since you are the principal manufacturer, you do not need to enable Use for Job Work in. Press Ctrl+A to save the voucher type. Now, let's configure Material in Voucher for a principal manufacturer. Press Alt+G. Alter Master, Voucher Type, Material in, and press Enter. Set Use for Job Work as Yes. Set Allow Consumption as Yes. As a principal manufacturer, the material in transaction will take place for the finished products which will be consumed in the form of sales or other purposes. Now, press Ctrl+A to save the voucher type. Now that we have set up Tally Prime to record job workout transactions, we can create bill of materials for the finished product to use in the transaction. Consider that the finished product is a pressure cooker, and the components or raw materials that make a pressure cooker are its body, top, gasket, safety valve, and whistle. Tally Prime has a facility to create bill of materials for a stock item. For example, in the stock item created for cooker as the finished product, you can create bill of materials with its raw materials or components. This simplifies the process of recording job workout transactions for the stock item. Let's open the stock item. Press Alt+G. Alter Master, Stock Item. Type or select the stock item created for the finished goods and press Enter. Press F12 and enable Set Components List Bill of Materials in Stock Items. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Now, set Alter Components Bill of Material as Yes. Let's name the bill of material as Standard. Enter the unit of manufacture, say 1. Now, select the components from the list of stock items and the required quantity. After doing so, select End of List and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to save the BOM. Press Ctrl+A to save the stock item. Before you go on to record vouchers for the job workout, we recommend you to use a separate godown to track the quantity of components that is with you and that with the job worker. Now, let's see how to record job workout order for the job worker. Press Alt+G. Create voucher and press F10 or click other vouchers. Type or select job workout and press enter. Select the job worker's party. Select the ledger account created for the job worker from the list of ledger accounts. This is the job worker who will assembling the raw materials provided by you to make the finished product. Provide the dispatch details. Duration of process is the number of days that will be consumed in assembling the components or raw materials to make a finished product. Nature of processing can be assembling, production, or any other based on the product. Press Ctrl+A to save the dispatch details screen. The party details will be pre-filled based on the information given in the master. You can make changes if needed. Press Ctrl+A to save. Enter the order number. Select the finished product as the stock item, say cooker. Track components must be set to yes. Enter the due on date based on the duration of process entered in the dispatch details screen. Select godown as that created for the job worker. Enter the quantity of the finished product. You can view the details of BOM. Press Ctrl+A to save. Enter the rate. Enter narration if needed and press Ctrl+A. Now, press Alt+G. Type or select job workout orders and press enter. As you can see, the job workout order appears here. Press Alt+F5 and you can view the details of the stock item. Now, let's record the material out voucher for the stock item sent to the job worker. Press Alt+G. Create voucher and press F10 or click other vouchers. Type or select material out and press enter. Select the party account from the list of ledger accounts. Select the order number details. Other details get filled based on the information provided in the job workout order. Enter the dispatch document number if it is available with you. Press Ctrl+A to save. The party details will be pre-filled. Press Ctrl+A to save. As you can see, the stock items that are raw material get pre-filled based on the information provided in the job workout order. Select Destination Godown as the godown created for the job worker. Enter narration if needed